Hey everyone, ever found yourself juggling between multiple cloud storage? Maybe you have your photos on your Google Drive, your work documents on Dropbox per se, and videos in OneDrive. So managing all these can be a hassle, right? So if you can relate, then today I'm introducing to you a solution that will make your life a whole lot easier, and that is MultCloud. So let's check it out. So what is MultCloud? MultCloud is a free web-based app that lets you connect multiple cloud drives into one centralized dashboard. MultCloud offers almost all types of cloud storage to be connected. So let's talk about transferring files easily. With MultCloud, you can easily transfer files between different cloud storage services. And the best part, you don't need to manually download or re-upload them. And search in one place. Ever felt lost in the vast expanse of your multi-cloud drive? Jumping from one to another, trying to find that one file? Well, MultCloud brings the solution right to your fingertips. And let's see why. Introducing the powerful file search that spans across all your cloud drives. With MultCloud, you no longer need to search each drive separately. And let's talk about cloud backup. Let's face the fact, data loss can be daunting, but MultCloud cloud backup feature, you're always up one step ahead of any digital downpour. Now you can easily create a backup to another cloud storage. And this works for email as well. Well, ever felt like managing your emails is like navigating through galaxies? Each account is in their own distinct world. Well, MultCloud has email management as well, where you can add on your emails in MultCloud for easier navigation. Let's see how it works. MultCloud is here to make your intergalactic journey a breeze. With its feature to connect multiple email accounts, you're the captain of your own digital universe. Now enter MultCloud's email migration feature. Seamlessly transfer your emails from one provider to another without losing a single byte. So let's talk about pricing. MultCloud pricing starts with 0, which is free, which gives you 5 GB of bandwidth a month. And the paid options promises more features and transfer speed for faster processing. Now, if you're looking for something better, there's also an unlimited data option, which negates the traffic limit. And if you're looking for something more for the long run, there's also a lifetime unlimited option to consider. Well, let me know in the comments how it works out for you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay connected and stay efficient. I'm Aris Azaha. Take care. Bye bye.